What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got something special that I've been waiting to get for a while. So I haven't even taken it out of the box yet because I wanted to save that for you guys so that we get like just the raw, unfiltered, like honest opinions of what this is. So one, got it off of Amazon, so save some money there. But this is our Holosun 507C. The reason I got this, well, there's a lot of reasons that I got it. Oh, and look at that. Got some free mints. It's nice to see people still care. So, the reason I got this is it fits the same footprint as the Trijicon RMR, so there's a lot of different applications that you can go with it, but also it is inexpensive. It has a shake-awake feature. It also is solar powered if the battery does go out, which is kind of unlikely. And it has the 2 MOA red dot plus the 32 MOA circle that goes around it. So we've got our user's manual. Of course, you got to have that. We've got some of our screws. It looks like they already got some Loctite on there. Some of the blue Loctite, so that's good. And we got 2 sets, so those must be for 2 different applications. We got some anti-moisture gel, our cleaning pad, and then this is what we got inside the box. So first we'll take out the little goodies. We got our battery. Awesome. It's always nice when batteries are included. We have this, I believe, is the setting tool for zeroing it in, if I remember right. But this is our Holosun 507C. This is actually a lot nicer than I thought it would be. We've got the mounting block for if you are putting this on rifle. I'm putting it on my pistol, so don't have to worry about that. But let's pull out this foam, make sure there's nothing underneath. Nope, just a big box and a big block of foam. Let's start tinkering. Let's unscrew things that we shouldn't. This is why you want to make sure you're doing this over a table so that you do not drop your screws. Alright, so here is our battery tray. Let's get that battery in there and see what this guy actually looks like. And I'll try and show you guys on the camera, but as you guys probably know, it's kind of hard to see this kind of thing on camera. Alright, we got our positive upright, which looks like it's the way it's supposed to be. Let's get that guy in there. One of the nice things about this design is they changed the battery from being on the bottom to the side. And when I was looking at a bunch of the 507Cs, I made sure to get the one that came on the side because you want to take your red dot off as little as possible once it's mounted up. Just because then you gotta go through resetting, rezeroing, and all that. So they put it on the side. Nice little touch that they have there. Now, let's see. It's very possible that I put that battery in upside down. Wouldn't be the first time. I have a lot of blonde moments in my life. But this tool is actually really nice. So it has what you need in order to set the 0 on the sides here, and then the battery, and then on the other end we have a Torx bit for putting it onto your slide. And I'm actually going to be using the outer impact mounting plate because I've got a Springfield and you got to get your slide milled, and this was just easier and cheaper, so we're going to do that for now, even though it's going to be a little bit taller. Alright, let's get that back off for the second time. Oh, yep, that was definitely upside down. That was totally my fault. Alright, now we've got that battery in. Let's screw that back in. And I will definitely be going back through with Loctite on this, because the last thing you want to lose is any of these screws. Alright, we've got it down for the second time now. There we go. Okay, so it's on. Alright, there we go. So you can, I'm hoping that you guys can see this. Not rotating around be annoying, I'm rotating it so that hopefully you can see the crosshairs. But we definitely have those in there, and if I remember right, you push both the positive and the negative to turn it off. You hold the positive, that goes into low light mode. Then you hold the negative, and we have just our regular 2 MOA red dot right there. Hold negative again. And now we get just the 32 MOA circle in there. So you have 3 options that you're going to run with. I'm going to try it out using the circle and the red dot just because I used to run an EOTech and I want to see how well those do. But that is what we have for our Holosun 507C unboxing out of the box. I'm really excited to get this on my gun. If you guys want to see how to mount using the outer impact plate, I'll make sure to put a video up. But thanks so much for watching, guys. Excuse me. Y'all have fun, be safe, make good choices. Have a great day.